So the number one thing I help people with at these retreats over and over and over again is starting. So I thought I would just remind you about this really simple concept that can make starting so much better and faster and easier. A lot of people, when they're making art, um, start in, and when you have a whiteboard like this and you're putting paint on it, anything you do to the whiteboard will look like it's changing. It'll look like a lot's happening. But in actual fact, if you're using these close values, if you're using not very dark, contrasty values, it's hard to see what's actually happening. And so you get stuck. You start changing things and perfecting things, even though you can't see things very clearly because there's not a lot of value contrast. So if you can come in with more contrast earlier, notice how quickly you can see things that are happening. And because of this, it allows you to make better choices. You can see what's going on. We can see sizes of things. It's like the radio frequency has been turned up so you can see it, number one, and number two, change it more easily. And that's the fundamental building blocks of the picture is this composition, is the design, these big parts that you're making. If you don't get those right, you can spend hours perfecting things and moving paint around, but it doesn't really do anything because what needs to occur is these big areas needs to be adjusted and fixed. And by making them a value contrast in the beginning, which is not what you feel like doing because it's so confronting. But if you can do that, then you can change things easier and see it better. And it speeds up the process of starting so quickly. This is the thing that I'm helping people with again and again and again and again and again. And it's especially true for larger work, right? To just be bold early. It's the whole thing. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this. If this is how you start, obviously get to do whatever you want. But this is one of the things that I found that is really, really helpful for people once they get it. Okay, let me know in the comments. Thanks for being here, and I will see you real soon.